Good morning students, welcome to the e-learning class of maths. I hope all of you are healthy and safe at home. Students, last week we have started lesson number 12, time. We have done activity 1, activity 2 and activity 3, in which we learn using clock how to write time, and when time is given how to draw the hands of clock. This week we will start activity 4, days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. How many days in a week? 7 days of the week. First day of the week is Monday, second day Tuesday, third day Wednesday, fourth day Thursday, fifth day Friday, sixth day Saturday, and the seventh day is Sunday. Using these days of the week, we will do activity 4. Choose the correct answer. The day after Wednesday is. Wednesday के बाद कौन सा डे आता है? Wednesday is the third day and the fourth day is Thursday. So I have take Thursday. Question number 2. There are dash days in a week. How many days in a week? 7. If today is Saturday, अगर आज Saturday है, then yesterday was. Yesterday means previous day. Previous यानी Saturday से पहले कौन सा दिन था? कौन सा डे था? Friday. So I have take Friday. Fourth question is dash comes in between Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday and Thursday के between कौन सा day है? Wednesday. The answer is Wednesday. If Monday is the first day, then Saturday is the, see here, Monday is the first day and Saturday is the sixth day. So the answer is sixth. Our next topic is months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. 1 year में कितने months होते हैं? 12. 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 year में number of days कितने होते हैं? 365. If year is a leap year, then number of days are 366. Months of the year. How many months are in there in a year? 12. January has 31 days. February has 28 days or 29 days. If the year is leap year, then February has 29 days, otherwise it has 28 days. March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, and December has 31 days. The first month of the year is January and the last month of the year is December. Now let us count the number of days on the knuckles or in our hand. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. The month name which come on the upper portion of your hand, that is on knuckle of your hands, having 31 days, and the month name which names come down have 30 days, except February. February has 28 or 29 days. February is the shortest month. Why? Because number of days in February is very less. जिस भी मंथ में नंबर ऑफ डेज सबसे कम होंगे वो हमारा शॉर्टेस्ट मंथ होगा. How many months having 31 days? 7 months. Name of month are January, March, May, July, August, October and December. These 7 months are having 31 days, and February is the shortest month having 28 or 29 days. How many months are having 30 days? 4 months. April, June, September and the November. Students, I have used the word leap year. Now let us understand what is a leap year. Let us know how to calculate a leap year, whether it is a leap year or not. If the year's last two digits are multiple of 4 और divide by 4, किसी भी ईयर में जैसे 2004 हम लेके चलते हैं, लास्ट टू डिजिट्स को हम देखेंगे, अगर वो टू डिजिट्स 4 के मल्टीपल है या 4 से डिवाइड हो जाते हैं तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, दैट ईयर इज़ अ लीप ईयर. फॉर एग्जांपल 2004, लास्ट टू डिजिट्स आर 04. 4 के टेबल में 4 तो आता है क्योंकि 04 मीन्स 4, 4 1 जा 4, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. This means 2004 is a leap year. The next example is 2016. Last two digits are 16. 4 4s are 16. Again it is a multiple of 4. So 2016 is also a leap year. Next example is 2018. 18 comes in on the table of 4. Not 4 के टेबल में 18 नहीं आता ना, तो it's not the multiple of 4. So it's not a leap year. Let's continue with our book. January is the first month and December is the last month. First month is January and December is the 12th month. That means it's the last month. Activity 5. Fill in the blanks. January is written here. Then after they have given dash. Which month come after January? February. February. Then March, April. After April, which month? May, May, May. Then June, June, June. July, August. After August, September, SCP, Sep, TEM, Tem, BER, September. Then October, OCTO, Octo, BER, October. November. And then after last month is December. DECEMBER, December. Number of days in a month can be remembered using this rhyme. 30 days. How many months having 30 days? 4 months. September, April, June and November. This I have already told you. February has 28 days and it is the shortest month. Leap year coming once in 4. After 4 years में लीप ईयर 1 टाइम आता है. ठीक है, 4th ईयर ऑलवेज क्या होता है हमारा, लीप ईयर. फेब्रवरी देन हैज 1 मोर डे, और जब लीप ईयर होगा फेब्रवरी में 1 डे इंक्रीज हो जाता है. 28 की जगह कितने डेज हो जाते हैं हमारे, 29 डेज. रिमेंबर 1 fortnight has 2 weeks. That means 1 fortnight is of 14 days. 1 month has 4 weeks and 1 year has 52 weeks. मंथ में कितने वीक्स होते हैं, 4, और ईयर में कितने वीक्स होते हैं, 52. अ ईयर इज डिवाइडेड इनटू सीजन्स. कितने सीजन्स हम लर्न करते हैं, ईवीएस में भी आपने लर्न किया होगा. 4 मेन सीजन्स हम लर्न करते हैं. समर, मॉनसून, मॉनसून को आप रेनी सीजन भी बोलते हैं बेटा. विंटर एंड द स्प्रिंग सीजन. Let's start with activity 6. First question is, name the months which have 31 days. How many months have 31 days? 7 months. So you have to write the name of the month. January, March, May, July, August, October and the December are the months which have 31 days. Which is the shortest month? February. Name the month which have 30 days. 30 days. How many months having 30 days? 4 months. The name are April, June, September and November. Name the months of this year which have 5 Sundays. For this you can use calendar. After seeing in the calendar, you can write the name of the month which have 5 Sundays. I have written March, May, August and the November are the months which have 5 days. Next question is, match the following. Gandhi Jayanti. When we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? 2 October. Children's Day. Children's Day is on 14th November. Christmas. Christmas is on 25 December. Republic Day 26 January. Independence Day 15th August and the Teachers Day is on 5 September. I think you all will do the match. Question number 3. How many days are there in 1 year? How many days in a 1 year? 365. And question number 4 is, how many days are there in 1 leap year? If the year is leap year, 1 day is increased. So the number of days are 366. Let's start with our next topic, mental maths corner. Tick the correct answer. How many hours are there in a day? How many hours in a day? 24. Write the time shown on clock. The hour hand is on 2 and the minute hand is on 12. Then time is 2 o'clock. How many days are there in the month of September? How many days? 30 days. If yesterday was Wednesday, which day will come tomorrow? अगर कल क्या था? Wednesday. That means Wednesday and today is Thursday and tomorrow Friday. If today is Sunday, अगर आज Sunday है, which day will be day after? यानी एक दिन के बाद, tomorrow. आज Sunday, कल Monday और उससे next day, day after tomorrow means next day is Tuesday after Monday. How many weeks are there in a year? 52. Which month comes after March? March के बाद कौन सा month आता है? April. Now question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A fortnight has how many weeks? 2 weeks. Thursday comes before Friday. Thursday किससे पहले आता है? Friday से. July and August have 31 days. February has dash days in a leap year. अगर leap year है तो then February में कितने days होंगे? 29. Quarter past 5 can be written as 5:15. Quarter past. 2 hours is equal to dash minute. 1 hour में कितने minutes होते हैं? 60. Then 2 hours में कितने होंगे? 2 multiply 60 यानी 120 minutes. 3 weeks is equal to dash days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 week में 7 days हैं. Then 3 weeks में कितने होंगे? 3 multiply 7. 3 sevens are 21 days. 3:30 can be written as 3:30. 30 means half past. Half past 3. Thank you students. Do activity number 4, 5, 6 and mental maths corner in your book in neat handwriting, and also do practice of these activities in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.